Good morning, friends. In the last lecture, we discussed regarding the vibrational energy, then the 0 point energy, selection rule for this vibrational spectra. As the rotational spectroscopy, there is same selection rule. dV is equal to plus or minus. There was a delta J is equal to plus or minus 1. Here delta V is equal to plus or minus 1. Vibrational energy is nothing but E vibrational is equal to in bracket V plus half H nu 0, where V is nothing but a vibrational constant, vibrational quantum number, or say vibrational constant, which is vary from the 0 to infinite. Now, for the fundamental frequency of vibration, that is a nu 0, V is equal to 0. Nu 0 is the fundamental frequency of vibration, whereas for the V is equal to 0, E vibrational is equal to half H nu 0, or simply you can call it E0 is equal to half H nu 0. It is called as a 0 point energy. The minimum value of the vibration energy is non-zero, which is half H nu 0. This maximum vibrational energy possessed by the molecule is known as the 0 point energy that we have discussed already. Again, vibrational energy levels are equally spaced, that we have already discussed. Then we have to discuss the vibrational spectra that we have seen. For that purpose, nu is equal to nu 0 that we have seen. That shows that the frequency of the vibration is equal to fundamental frequency of molecule. That we have seen. The selection rule is nothing but a delta V is equal to plus or minus 1, but here we are considering for vibrational transition from delta V is equal to plus 1. So the energy absorbed by the vibrating rotor undergo the two motion. One will be the vibrational and second will be the rotational, that we have already discussed. Now we have to see the combined spectrum. When we talk about the combined spectrum, at that time we have to sum up both the energies. Means E total will nothing but the E vibrational plus E rotational. After substituting this value, these values, you will get E total is equal to V plus half H nu 0 plus J in bracket J plus 1 H square upon 8 pi square I. Now, very much important part, 5 marks question will be there based on this particular thing. Derive an expression for frequency of P and R branch lines in IR spectra of diatomic molecule. Derive expression for wave number of line in the vibration rotation spectra of a diatomic molecule. This is the very much important question that we have to see. We have to talk about it. See, as already we have seen in case of the rotational spectroscopy, how that spectra is there, that lines are equally spaced, their frequency separation is the 2b, that we have already proved. Same way we have to see what are the different lines observed in case of the IR spectra of the diatomic molecule. Let E1 be the, now we have to consider the energy. E1 be the energy of initial state, whereas E2 be the energy of the final state. Means two states we are considering, one will be the initial state and another one will be the final state. What will happen when we are considering the transition is there? That means there is the transfer of the species from one level to the another level. It is called as a transition. Same way here, when we are talking about the transition or say vibration, at that time electron of that particular atom or say molecule will will transfer from one level to the another. That's why we are considered two levels. One will be the initial state E1 and E2 will be the energy of the final state. Therefore, the combined energy or the total energy of the molecule is given by, for the first state means initial state, E1 is equal to V1 plus half H nu 0 plus J1 in bracket J1 plus 1 H square upon 8 pi square I. Same way as we have written for the E1 means for the initial state, then we have to write the energy of the final state, that will nothing but the E2. E2 will be the V2 plus half in bracket H nu 0 plus J2 in bracket J2 plus 1 H square 8 upon 8 pi square I. Now what we have did, initially we know, first of all deriving this equation, at that time we know the total energy of the molecule is given by the equation E total is equal to V plus half H nu 0 plus J in bracket J plus 1 H square upon 8 pi square I. Make the correction in that answer. Start the answer from this side. The total energy of the molecule, total energy of the diatomic molecule is given by E total is equal to, first of all write in, then start the answer from the left. E1 be the energy of the initial state and E2 be the energy of the final state. E1 will nothing but the V1 plus half H nu 0 plus J1 in bracket J1 plus 1 H square upon 8 pi square I. Whereas E2 will nothing but the V2 plus half H nu 0 plus J2 in bracket J2 plus 1 H square upon 8 pi square I. This formula we have to remember very well. Now, the change in energy for a transition of E1 to E2 is given by delta E is equal to E2 minus E1. Now, we have to see what will be the energy change when transition will be from E1 to E2, from initial state to the final state. When that transition will be there, at that time energy difference will be given by delta E is equal to E2 minus E1. Now what we can do, now we have to substitute for the E2 and E1. Delta E is equal to V2 plus half H nu 0 plus J2 in bracket J2 plus 1 H square upon 8 pi square I minus in bracket V1 plus half H nu 0 plus J1 in bracket J1 plus 1 H square upon 8 H square upon 8 pi square I. See here, bracket we have to use. Please make the bracket. While writing the answer, please note this thing, here should be the bracket. Then and then only this term will be the positive. Now here in the below step it has done. Now we have to take this vibrational terms to the one side and rotational terms to the one side. What will happen? V2 plus half H nu 0 minus V1 plus half H nu 0. Okay, this term will come here plus J2 in bracket J2 plus 1 H square upon 8 pi square I minus J1 in bracket J1 plus 1 H square 8 pi square I. Now what will happen? Take the H nu 0 common and V2 plus half minus V1 plus half, V1 minus half. See, when you take H nu 0 common, at that time this term will come, means, and here J2 in bracket J2 plus 1 minus J1 in bracket J1 plus 1 h square upon 8 pi square I. Now what we can do, half will get cancelled and left term will be the V2 minus V1 h nu 0 plus J2 in bracket J2 plus 1 minus J1 in bracket J1 plus 1 h square upon 8 pi square I. Now what we will do, now we will multiply by this J2 to this bracket and J1 to this bracket. What will get, J2 into J2 will be the J2 square, J2 into 1 J2 minus J1 into J1 J1 square minus J1 h square upon 8 pi square I. Then V2 minus V1 h nu 0 J2 square J2 square minus J1 square in one bracket plus in another bracket J2 minus J1 h square upon 8 pi square I. Then V2 minus h nu 0 in bracket J2 minus J1 in bracket another bracket J2 plus J2 minus J1. This is the formula of a square minus b square, a square upon 8 pi square I. The J2 minus J1 in another bracket J2 plus J1 plus J2 Yes, now what we have did here, you can see here, very much important part it is. See what we have did, instead of the J2 minus J1 we have substituted the 1, means J2 minus J1, see here, J2 minus J1, J2 plus J1. This is the rule, a square minus b square, you can write like this, J2 minus J1 in bracket J2 plus J1. Similar way here J2 minus J1, delta J is equal to plus or minus 1. Same way J2 minus J1 will be the 1. That's why J2 plus J1 plus 1 h square upon 8 pi square I. We know delta is equal to h nu, therefore nu is equal to delta E by h. Here nu is equal to V2 minus V1 nu 0 plus J2 minus J1 in bracket J2 plus J1 plus 1 h upon 8 pi square I. But nu 0 is equal to C nu 0 bar, therefore nu is equal to C nu bar. Same way nu is equal to C nu bar we can substitute. Here instead of the new we can substitute a new 0 bar at that time. See what we have to do. Very much important thing is that here we have to substitute the C new bar and here C new bar 0. Make the correction in the answer. Here it will be the C new bar and here it will be the C new 0 bar. Then CC will get cancelled. Okay, you can, what we can do, we can take this C to this side, means it will get divided. Divided means here 8 pi square IC will be there and at that time this CC will get cancelled. One more step you have to do. Please, if you are not getting, you can ask easily, you can ask freely. See what I am saying here. Look at this position. Here C new bar will be there and here C new 0 bar should be there. CC will get cancelled. At that time this C will come in this denominator. Then new is equal to V2 minus V1 new 0 plus J2 minus J1 in bracket J2 plus J1 plus 1 H upon 8 pi square IC. On applying the selection rule, delta V is equal to 1 and delta J is equal to 1. V2 minus V1 will be the 1 and J2 minus J1 will be the 1. J2 is equal to J1 plus 1. At that time, new bar is equal to new bar 0 plus what you will get. Now you are substituting. New bar is equal to new bar 0 plus J2 plus J1 plus 1 H upon 8 pi square IC. Now J2 is nothing but J1 plus 1. That's why new bar is equal to new 0 bar plus twice J1 plus 1 H upon 8 pi square IC. New bar is equal to new 0 bar is equal to twice J2B. Twice J2B. This is the where B is the Bajram constant or say rotational constant H upon 8 pi square IC. Then again another rule we have to apply, that is nothing but this is the P branch. This is the equation for the P branch where the positive sign will be there. Same equation will be there. At that time we have to consider delta J is equal to minus 1. Then V2 minus V1 is equal to plus 1. J2 minus J2 is equal to minus 1. That means J1 is equal to J2 plus 1. J1 is equal to J2 plus 1. Then you will get the same equation. New bar is equal to new 0 bar minus twice J1B. Instead of the J2 there will be the J1B. Instead of the positive sign there will be the minus sign. Now draw the P and R branch and obtain the equation for that. Same question will be there in the. Now for the R branch we have to see the selection rule. For R branch delta V is equal to this positive will for the R branch and this negative will for the P branch. For the R branch the selection rule is delta V is equal to plus 1 and delta J is equal to plus 1, which gives the R branch. Whereas for P branch the selection rule will be the See, up to this step you got this equation. If you got this equation, then you will continue further. Otherwise, if you are not getting this equation, we can't continue to the further thing. Please remember this equation well. Very simple equation it is. Please go through this equation. Very much important question it is. The 5 marks question will be based on this. That we have seen the question. Vibrational rotational spectra of the diatomic molecules, or say you can say P and R branch for the diatomic molecule. Please see how we have derived the equation. While starting this, consider at a time, first of all, we know the total energy of the molecule is given by the equation. E total is equal to V plus half H mu 0 plus J in bracket J plus 1 H square upon 8 pi square I. Then we have considered the initial state and the final state. For that we have substituted E1 and E2. Then next we have to take the energy change. While when the transition is there, that means energy is changing. That's why we have taken delta E is equal to E2 minus E1. That we have seen already. Then we have substituted all this thing here. Then we have goes on simplification. After simplification, you will get the equation delta E is equal to V2 minus V1 H nu 0 in bracket plus J2 minus J1 in bracket J2 plus J1 plus 1 H square upon 8 pi square I, that we have seen. Then next we have come, all the energy levels are quantized. That's why delta E is equal to H nu. Nu is equal to delta E by H. Same way nu is equal to V2 minus V1 nu 0 plus J2 minus J1 in bracket J2 plus J1 plus 1 H upon 8 pi square I. Earlier it was H square. Now after dividing by the H, it will become the H. H square upon H, that becomes the H. But nu is equal to nu 0 is equal to C nu 0 bar, whereas nu is equal to C nu bar. Same way we have to substitute for the nu and nu 0. Then we will get C nu bar is equal to V2 minus V1 C nu 0 bar in bracket plus J2 minus J1 in bracket J2 plus J1 plus 1 H upon 8 pi square IC. Why IC is there? When this CC will get cancelled, at that time C will come here in the denominator. One step has been dropped, but you have to do this. Then nu bar is equal to V2 minus V1 nu 0 bar plus J2 minus J1 in bracket J2 plus J1 plus 1 H upon 8 pi square I. Here nu 0 should be there. Please note it well. Make the correction in the notebook. Then we have applied the selection rule. After applying the selection rule, delta V is equal to 1 and delta J is equal to 1. You will get this. When the positive is, both are the positive, R branch will be there. And when the delta J is minus and delta V is plus 1, then P branch will be there. Please practice for this derivation, which is very much important. Then after, in the next session, we will see how that the lines will be drawn. P and R branch will be drawn by considering the selection rule. Here we have seen this equation. We have to practice it well. Do the practice. If you are not getting this part, you can freely ask to me on the Telegram or on the Google Classroom. Please practice for all the derivation. They are very much important. These are the simple derivations that you have to prepare. If you have any doubt or if you are not getting any step, you can take the screenshot and you can freely ask to me on any group, either on the Google Classroom or on the your class group. Thank you.